Hi there, and welcome to Learning and Development Basics mini course. I'm Irina Ketkin, and I've been an L&D professional since 2011, working with Fortune 500 companies worldwide, managing multi-million-dollar budgets and designing thousands of impactful training sessions and development programs both virtually and face-to-face. I also founded the L&D Academy to help busy professionals like you jumpstart your career in this exciting field. So, what can you expect from the Learning and Development Basics? Well, this is a quick, no-fluff mini course designed to get you straight to the practical stuff that you can apply immediately back on the job. By the end, you'll walk away with real-world skills that set you apart. You'll confidently explain what learning and development is and why it's critical to organizations. You'll know how to apply L&D strategies to real scenarios and build a plan to advance your career. And you'll have hands-on tools to start making an impact right away. This mini course is entirely online and self-paced, meaning that you can learn whenever and wherever it suits you. Whether you're at your desk, on your couch, or even on the go, you can access the pre-recorded lessons any time of day. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your busy schedule so you can start learning right away and make progress at your own pace. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll talk about the essentials of learning and development, what it is, its purpose, and where it fits in the organizations. Then, we'll take a closer look at the key roles within L&D and what makes them tick. Finally, we'll mention some of the key L&D activities like conducting a learning needs analysis, designing learning solutions, and evaluating their impact. Let me be clear, this isn't a lengthy deep dive. It's a focused, affordable mini course created specifically for beginners in the L&D field, eager to build confidence and skills, career changers looking for a practical roadmap to break into L&D, and really anyone who needs a quick refresher on the basics. Put simply, if you're passionate about helping others grow and want to hit the ground running without a lot of fluff, this course is for you. Are you ready to start your journey into L&D? Click the link below to enroll or try the free preview. Don't miss your chance to transform your career with learning and development basics. I'll see you in the course.